Hello everyone, how are you doing? My name is Charlie and we're here with Donna talking to you about the WayLiner. Donna, good to see you. Love your company.
Charlie.
Do you know what, a WayLiner is something that I think everyone needs when it comes to dressmaking, would you agree?
Absolutely. It's a really handy tool to have in your sewing arsenal. It evenly distributes ease. So when you're trying to attach a smaller stretchy thing to a bigger thing, it's going to do the stretching out for you. So you haven't got to evenly quarter a neckband and then quarter a neck hole and match those points and stretch evenly between them. You just clip it at one point and pull and it does it for you. So for example, this is a bodice that I'm making with an elasticated waistband that I've already attached to the bottom of the bodice. And I've now got a skirt that I'm going to attach onto the bottom of the waistband. So I'm going to turn my skirt inside out, it's already inside out, and then I'm going to kind of post the bodice into the skirt, and then you slip it around the rollers. So there are two rollers at the top and two rollers at the bottom. And I'm just going to match the starting point here with a clip. It turned around like that. And then I'm going to put it back on again.
So you line up first.
Yeah, you just need a starting point. You don't need to line the whole thing up, just one point. So I'm making sure my seam is at the side. And then I'm going to turn this handle, which is going to move this arm out towards me.
That's the clever bit. That's when the penny drops for me.
Yeah.
Think, oh, it keeps it taut.
Exactly.
It keeps it at the correct tension.
Yeah, it tautens it, basically. Is that a word?
All right,
Let's
we'll
make
use
it a word. Let's make it a word.
So that's keeping it tautened.
Yes, it's going to tauten it. And then you're just going to sew round. So the feed dogs on the machine come up, they grab the fabric, and they pull it around on the rollers. So all I'm doing is just keeping it straight as I go. I can take that clip off as I come to it. And sew past. And then just move the garment round with you as you go. Get that lined up and then go again.
Yeah.
Lovely.
And you can work quickly with this, can't you?
You can, yeah. And you can use any machine with it. So I've got a sewing machine with this, but you could use it with an overlocker, you could use it with a cover stitch machine. Any sewing machine you can use with this. It doesn't need to be anything particularly snazzy.
If it's a long arm sewing machine, you might need to get the extension table.
Exactly, yeah. The extension table just gives it a little extra length to the WayLiner, so that your machine's not going to wobble around on it, because
and it's so stable as well.
It is, exactly, yeah. You know, you buy these machines and you love them. Gosh, I love my sewing machines. I wouldn't be without them.
Of course.
And I want them to be stable on whatever they're on. The last thing you want is to damage your machine. So yeah, having a good piece of hardware does make all the difference. So we're just coming around for the final side.
That's good. I mean, you can see already those great consistent results, which you may struggle with without the WayLiner. I mean, maybe you've, I think it's such an awful shame, maybe you've had a dream of making certain items of clothing, but this part puts you off because it's so frustrated.
Precisely.
Get the WayLiner, it's going to take that fear away, it's bound to.
Absolutely. There we go. So then just to release it again, release the tension, I'm going to turn that handle and bring the arm in again, and then I can pop that off the rollers.
So you've just done that already?
Yeah, turn it through. And we've got a dress.
What a feeling to be able to do something like that. It looks so professional.
Yeah, it does.
And the way it's kind of like, where it's kind of gathered, is that the right term?
Exactly, yeah, it is gathered in. And it's really nice because you get a nice blousey bodice and a nice blousey skirt, which is great for comfort, but it's not going to look too boxy on you. It's gonna pull it in at the waist, which is what you want really. But it's hard to do. To stretch the elastic is kind of, it can be difficult to do when you're sewing. You've got to pull either side of it as it's going through the machine.
Yes.
And this does it for you.
Well, there we go. And it just keeps it consistent. So, because normally without it, you've got so many things to hold. You've got so much to think about, haven't you? Your tension's all over the place.
Yeah.
You could veer off course a bit.
Yeah, this keeps you nice and straight because it's on the rollers. It's not got anywhere to go. All you've got to do is keep it up against the roller and you'll come round, bang on your starting stitching.
I see. Without that also, you could run the risk of the elasticated bit could turn around inside.
Yeah, precisely. When you do top stitching on the waistband, like with the one you're holding there, it stops your elastic from twisting in the waistband, which can be really uncomfortable.
Yes, of course.
And just doesn't look very nice either.
Well, honestly, that is a fantastic demonstration. It's brilliant. So if you've got a sewing machine, if you do have dressmaking becoming that little bit easier, then the WayLiner is really the thing to get. You can see it's solid metal. It's got a nice weight, actually. So absolutely, I could trust putting my sewing machine on there. Or an overlocker you mentioned there.
Overlocker or a cover stitch machine. Yeah, any machine that you can get
Donna, thank you so much. I love your demonstrations. Have a think about it. It's the WayLiner to make those sewing projects much, much easier.